So this is the buffer solution I prepared in part 2A, okay, of this lab. Okay, in order to move into part 2B, I'm going to measure the pH of the buffer solution using my pH meter. Okay, I have my pH. Make sure I write it down in my lab book. Now always make sure after you use the pH meter, you have to always rinse the tip of the probe and dry it, okay, before you use it for another measurement. So after I took the pH of my buffer, I'm going to split my buffer into 4 solutions of 16.1 milliliter into 4 different beakers. Now I have my 4 beakers with 16.1 milliliter of the buffer solution I have prepared. Okay, now the next step into this part of the lab is to add to the beaker 1. Okay, I make sure I label all the 4 beakers, okay, from 1 to 4. Okay, to beaker 1, I'm going to add 1 milliliter of 3 molar HCl. Okay, 3 molar HCl. I'm going to pipette 1 milliliter to beaker number 1. After I pipette 1 milliliter of 3 molar HCl into beaker 1 buffer solution, I'm going to mix. Make sure, okay, it's mixed, completely mixed up. Okay, so you can use the steel bar to mix it. Okay, after you mix it up, okay, you are going to take the pH of the solution. So what we do in this part is to repeat, okay, repeat this addition and record the new pH after each addition, okay, until the pH has changed by 1 pH unit. Okay, so after you have done, always make sure you rinse the probe of the pH meter, okay, within each measurement.